Hello, ladies and gentlemen, as always, I'm your host, AirsoftAL, and I have covered a lot of camera mounts in my time doing this channel. I have covered everything from basic GoPro mounts to third-person mounts, which I'm going to be redoing a video on, very much so in the future. I have covered M-LOK camera mounts, which, by the way, still really good, still rocking to this day, by the way. And I'm even going to be covering the Brain Exploder mount, the first one very soon and hopefully in the near future, and have used to a good degree. I've even built my own mounts, including this little side mount using a flashlight holder and a bicycle mount just looped into it. I'm no stranger to camera mounts. I've even done a video on camera mounts a long time ago, which is actually featured in Popular Airsoft's own website, which, hot damn, that's kind of cool. But something I've been noticing recently when it comes to camera mounts is they are now expanding what can be done with the mounting system. Be it from the chest mount to the clamp mount, which can be put over your shoulder to do like a shoulder mount, gimbal mount, which can do a third-person mount, or even something along the lines to everything in between, even a helmet mount, which literally is right there in front of your mouth. There's so much going on right now in the camera mounting community, or at least the aftermarket parts for cameras, that it is insane. And I probably could never cover all of them. But that doesn't mean I won't try to cover all of them. Which brings me to today's video. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I have a camera mount that I actually did not know existed. I was at my local Walmart and I saw this thing on sale for $2.50. Yes, $2.50, and I was like, it's interesting, it's kooky, it's cool, and it's specifically made for what I do and for content creation. So, why not spend $3 on it at Walmart? And the cool thing is, apparently it's $5. That's cool. That's honestly really nice and affordable, and the fact that you can actually buy it at your local Walmart in the huge, you know what I'm talking about, the huge electronics bins that they display at the electronics section, which are specifically made and targeted for content creators or people who just like using their phones in general. You know the title, you know the thumbnail, you know what I'm talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, we're talking about the Motion Mount. I'm not lying, it's called the Motion Mount. I don't know the company that makes it. Apparently it's 360 degrees. It is the universal phone holder. And I'm trying to find a company that makes it. Yeah, no, it's just Motion Mount. That's it. Just Motion Mount. Motion Mount is a point of view, hands-free design. It goes around your neck. That's what it does. It literally is. I mean, listen to this. Look. Oh, it's made by Tzumi. However you want to pronounce that. Literally. Not even. You could just look at it, and already you can tell they're marketing it to content creators, or at least people who want to start content creating on YouTube or Twitch or whatever. Literally. Blogging. Never mind, they have vlogging there. Traveling, cooking, playing, vlogging, and more. And reading the back of this thing, it is clear who their target audience is. Capture media from your point of view, hands-free, Motion Mount securely fits around your neck and grips smartphones with its universal holster. Holster? Really? Holster? Making it perfect for recording while multitasking. The adjusting angles guarantee you get the best shots anywhere, from cooking and live streaming to outdoor activities and more, captured in motion. The features it lists on this in the back is literally first-person perspective videos, universal holder for most smartphones, 360 adjustable to give you the best angles. I don't think so, because I've tried adjusting this thing to the 360 degree that it claims to be, and it is a pain in the fucking ass. What I think it means is that you can undo the thing and put it however you wish. Secure grip to record while multitasking. And these things here, I'm guessing they actually did the snapshots from the things it did. That's honestly kind of cool, and honestly, as much as I'd love to say I probably would use this for vlogging, I'm not. No. The most I'm probably going to do this for is for airsoft, and tell you whether or not this is actually good for your airsofting. So, let's take a look at the actual product itself, and see exactly what we're dealing with here. So looking at itself, it's basic. Bare bones basic. It is legitimately bare bones basic. That is, you literally have a clamp, you have this which can come up. Oh, that's actually got a good mount to it. Legitimately, it just folds apparently for that, but the big kicker is this. Actually, that secures pretty tightly around the neck. Holy crap. So apparently what you do is you put your phone on this thing. Let me get my phone out exactly. Let me, that's actually pretty close to my chin, I'm not gonna lie. That's, okay, that's actually not gonna come off. My big thing, though, is if you're doing like this, then it's gonna come up and hit you right in the fucking face. So let me go ahead and take this off, get my phone out, and check out the actual footage that we can do with this, because I'm very curious. Okay, there we go. And she is, oh wow, that's secured on there. And tightening it down a bit so we can actually see what we're doing. Okay. Yep, already, that's a bad thing, because it was trying to, okay, now it's not trying to, yeah, this is, Okay, so already it's pointing downward. Let me just do this. Already this is not, the way it's pointing down for, like, doing, takedown guides. You can see this in the footage right here. You can see this. Let's switch over. You know what? I'm just gonna try something real quick. Okay. I'm a little curious about something. Let me try this real quick. Let me try this. Aha! It's on my head! Yes! Yeah, no, we aren't going to do that. Which then again, let me flip this around and put it like this. Holy crap! That's actually something right there, like this. Oh boy. So putting it like this, okay, you could do something like this, but then again, this thing's going to bump up on your chest like that. That's not good. Nope. So literally, okay. So doing it like this is actually more comfortable, because if you actually look at the form of the plastic, it's designed to go like that. So let me swap out the mount here and actually see if this will accompany GoPro mounts. Because if it does, then we're onto something. We're onto something, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so already a nice little flaw in the design. Yeah, the nut likes to come out. But actually flipping it over to this actually is a lot more comfortable. Yeah, still not gonna... I'm legitimately trying to... There it goes. Okay, so if you legitimately try to pull this thing off, then it's gonna come off. But the way it is right now, ain't that bad. It really isn't. So let's go ahead and see if a GoPro mount will fit on this. And if it does, then I'm going to try something. I'm gonna try something. But in terms of the nut itself, you're going to want to try and glue it down, which is what I'm probably going to do. Probably going to glue this nut down. That's what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to get some glue or something. I'm definitely going to get some glue, and I'm going to glue this fucker down, because that's ridiculous. Alright, so I have a GoPro mount. That is this one, this model. I'm not going to use the other model. I'm not going to try and do that, but I am going to use this, because this is actually perfect for what it needs to be. It's lined up. Got a big nut. Let's go ahead, screw it in. Okay. Holy crap, it's secured in. Putting it on. Let's set it up about there, actually. Actually, hold on. Let's set it about leveled. Ooh, this is going to be interesting. Very interessante. This is going to leave some interesting setups, actually. I'm already coming up with some ideas for it, so let's go ahead and get you guys off the mount, well, off the tripod, put you in this. I'm kind of sure what this looks like, shall we? So looking back at the footage itself, it's definitely interesting. Not gonna lie, it's I actually have no words for it. It's what's the word for it? This right here definitely gives an interesting perspective in terms of actually being able to give you a new angle for shooting footage. But granted, it all comes down to one's own personal preference and whether or not they want that different angle. Me personally, I might try this actually in a game. I might, because the way this is designed, and because I'm now going to be running a plate carrier for my loadout, I can probably interweave this around the neck area into the molly gear itself, or at least the elastic within it, because this stretches out pretty wide. This legitimately stretches out pretty wide, so I could probably interweave this into it and try and come up with a system to lock these into positions, that way it doesn't come apart as easy. Again, don't know. Gonna try it. Gonna see what I can do. You know, just experiment. Because this legitimately does give an interesting point of view. I might, what am I saying, might? I am gonna use this for the takedown guides in the future, because as much as I do love my POV from the head and the helmet, from my head strap, this gives a better perspective, and legitimately does sort of give that first-person perspective. Again, I'm a little curious and what have you, but in terms of just a new angle, I'm definitely going to try it, and I definitely find it very interesting. But for $5, or if you get it on sale like I did for $2.50, so about $3, let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this, because personally, I think it's worth the investment, because there are a lot of possibilities that could be done with this. I mean, it's designed to apparently be... Yeah, no, actually, it is. Holy crap, this thing actually is designed to actually be headgear. Wow, okay. That's something I didn't know, and it actually does clamp down pretty good, so... Yeah, it's not moving. But as a neck piece itself... Yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's definitely going to do this. It is definitely going to do that. It is going to wobble around. It is definitely going to just go up, down, left, right, all of the other places, up there, over there, up there. But in terms of just a bit of kit to experiment with, to try out new things for cameras, I say it's worth it. I say it is. I mean, the only thing I really don't like is the idea that it says it has full 360 degrees. The only thing it has full 360 degrees of is being able to basically flip it around, turn around, do all this, and literally articulate camera if you have the mount to articulate the camera, because this linking piece right here does not turn. It doesn't. I have tried pulling it off, I've tried spinning it, I've tried everything in my power to basically make it turn. It ain't turning for diddly dick. It ain't spinning. But, again, ain't that bad. Legitimately, I am going to use this for future takedown guides, and even future gameplay when I get the ability to be able to go out and play Airsoft again. But again, those are my opinions of it. So I leave it to you, ladies and gentlemen, to decide whether or not the motion mount is worth the money for you. So, ladies and gentlemen, please let me know in the comment section down below if you would get this and what you think of it, or at least the different mounting perspectives in general for this. And I will leave a link down below, if possible, to buy one yourself. Or if you're at Walmart and you find this thing for $5, or even on sale like I did for $2.50, go ahead and pick one up for yourself. Thank you all for watching. As always, I've been AirsoftAL, the common man's Airsofter, who reviews interesting camera mounts for you to decide whether or not they're worth the investment for you, be it as a vlogger, gamer, or otherwise. And would you kindly consider supporting us via the PayPal down below, and leave a like, dislike, and comment. Till next time, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all a good day.